A single reducer is fine if you are building a simple app with a very small state tree, such as the count app we just created. However, as your app grows, you often want to break it up into smaller parts so your teammates can focus on one feature at a time. In this case, we split the reducer so that each reducer is responsible for the part of the state tree. Redux.js provides a utility function called combine reducers that allows you to conveniently merge reducers that use each state as a key and handle that state. Then let's see how to compose a large state tree in Dart. Let's go through an example. I created an app called Combine Reducers and installed the Redux and Flutter Redux packages. Also, the command of avoid print in the analysis option.yaml file has been removed. Before we started building the app in earnest, let's take a look at the completed Combine Reducers app. At the top of the screen is a text field labeled Add Item, and below it is a text field labeled Search Items. We will create 4 items by entering Item 1, Item 2, Item 3, and Item 4 in the Add Item text field. I'll tap the trash icon on the right side of Item 4. Item 4 has been deleted. Let's type W in the search box. Only Item 2 is shown. I will delete the W. All items are displayed. Let's type capital E and E. Only Item 3 was displayed. It's a very simple app. Let's implement the core concept of Redux in detail while making this app. Pay particular attention to reducer composing. And the basic folder structure has been created in advance. The pages folder consists of items page.dart, new item.dart, search items.dart, show items.dart. New item.dart consists of a text field for inputting new items. Search item.dart consists of a text field for inputting a search term. And show items.dart displays a list of items filtered by the current search term. In items page.dart, there is an items page widget that displays the widgets I just mentioned by grouping them. The items page widget is a stateless widget that returns a safe area widget. The child of safe area is a scaffold, and single child scroll view is given to the body of the scaffold in case there are many items. As a child of a single child scroll view, I gave a padding widget with a padding 20 in all directions so that the items do not stick to the side too much. A column widget is given as a child of the padding widget, and the first child is a new item widget with a function to input a new item. Next, after giving a size box with a height of 20.0, I gave a search item widget where you can enter a search term. After giving the size box of height 20.0 again, I placed the show item widget that shows the item list. Let's look at the new item widget. The new item widget is made as a stateful widget. Create the text editing controller type final variable underscore controller. Dispose of underscore controller in stateful widgets dispose function. In the build function, we return a text field. Assign underscore controller to the controller and add item as the label text. We'll create a function to add a new item to the unsubmitted callback that receives a nullable string type argument. But now, print the text field input value. Next, let's look at the search item widget. The search item widget is made as a stateless widget. Return a text field from the build function. As decoration, search items are given to label text. Input border.none is given to border so that the border is not displayed. True to fill so that text field is displayed separately from the surrounding area. And search icon is given to prefix icon so that search icon is displayed in front of the text field. In unchanged callback that receives a nullable string type argument, you will create a function to search for items, but now we'll print the text field input value. Next is the show items widget. The show items widget is a stateless widget. Return list view that separated from the build function. For now, give 3 as item count and return a divider widget with the divider color of gray In the separator builder callback, in item builder, a list tile is returned, and as a title, a text widget that displays the item index is returned.